I'm Tina from Now.
And I'm Kim from Now. And today we're going to be making a Santa's Sugar Cookie Body Butter. Very easy to make and great for family, friends, or coworkers this holiday season.
So first we're going to melt together 7 ounces equal parts of our coconut oil, cocoa butter, and shea butter. After that's completely melted together, we're going to add our 7 ounces of liquid fractionated coconut oil. Once they're all combined, we're going to put it into the fridge to cool for about an hour or 2.
Once you've removed it from the fridge, you're going to want to add in the essential oil drops while you're mixing it with a hand mixer. The hand mixer will give it a nice whipped look. So once you're done mixing the product, you're going to need to find a container to put it in to give it as a gift. For this one, we specifically chose a small glass mason jar, and we made custom labels that said Santa's Sugar Cookie Body Butter. It makes it look nice and presentable for the holiday season.